The cities of Hubballi and Dharwad, lying in the heart of Karnataka, have been known to have a rich cultural heritage. Currently, the cities of Hubballi and Dharwad are jointly known as the second capital of the state and are a commercial hub. They are also popular as Pedhanagari and Chota Mumbai. Not just as an agrarian region, the cities are also known as Vidya Kashi. For being home to educational institutions like Karnataka University Dharwad, Karnataka College Dharwad, University of Agricultural Sciences, Karnataka State Law University, etc. that have been involved in many educational activities. The cities of Hubballi and Dharwad also host many industries like Kirloskar, KMF, Tata and many others. The cities, being alive with so many people, have been busy with many activities which are only increasing with every passing day. According to the 2011 census, the cities have been recorded to have a population of 9,43,788 and to provide a secure means of transportation, the central and the state governments had jointly begun the project of BRTS, which is the Hubballi-Dharwad Bus Rapid Transportation System. With the intention to have a safe, rapid and a pleasurable journey between the cities, the government initiated BRTS. It was designed to cover a distance of 22.25 kilometers that lie between the cities of Hubballi and Dharwad. Along the stretch of 22.25 kilometers, there are about 32 bus stops with buses plying on these roads every 3 minutes and have a fare which is reasonable, affordable to people from all classes in the society. 70% of the expenses for the project was borne by the Karnataka state government, with the rest of the 30% being borne by Hubballi-Dharwad Municipal Corporation, KSRTC and different developmental boards. The buses and the stops have been developed with high-tech systems. The bus stops have a platform at the same level as the buses, which make plying of the passengers easier. The platforms have also adopted the technology of tactiles which help the blind people. The buses as well as the bus stops are also suitable for the aged people and differently abled people to move around easily. The bus stops have utilized LED screens to display the arrival and departure of the buses and the timings. Every bus stop has ticket counters from which tickets are issued, scanning which people can get in and out of the bus stops through the floppy gates. The system hosts of 130 buses, out of which there are 100 Volvo buses which are 12 meters long and 30 Articulate buses which are 18 meters long. The buses have an impressive combination of technological advancement and luxury. The buses are spacious with comfortable seats that are suitable to people of all ages. Each bus has been installed with a GPS, which makes their tracking easier. Every bus has been installed with an LED screen and automatic speakers, which provide information to the passengers about the next stop. The buses have glass windows which help passengers view the beautiful cities during their journey. The buses also have automated doors which function without any hitch. The buses produce a sound of only 70 decibels, which does not cause noise pollution. They also contribute bare minimum to air pollution, with the exhaust of one bus being equal to that of 40 cars and 60 bikes together. Under the aegis of Green BRTS, about 27,510 trees were to be planted, out of which, by now, about 25,400 trees have already been planted around Navlur Betta, Sanjeevani Vana and Rupatunga Betta. With the safety of the people being one of the main concerns, every bus stop has a zebra crossing through which people can reach pedestrian path. From Hosur Circle in Hubli to the Jubilee Circle in Dharwad, you can see pedestrian paths equipped with lighting facility along with the mixed roads. Every bus stop has 10 signal poles and every junction has 3 types of signals installed in them. These 3 signals are connected to the signals of mixed roads and they work on their own. The green and red signals are controlled by tram software from the control center located in Hosur. They work with the help of Q technology. BRTS is the first transportation system in India in which Q technology has been utilized. The buses work on wave signals which make it easier to ply even when there is a slight delay of 10 to 15 seconds. This can also help the passengers reach the destination on time. All buses and the bus stops are connected to the control room. Keeping in consideration the safety of the passengers, every bus has been installed with a CCTV camera and every bus stop has a security guard to prevent any kind of misconduct. The CCTV cameras are installed not only in the buses but also in the bus stops to observe the conduct and the behavior of the staff. In places where there is density in population like Unkal Cross, Unkal and Navanagar, you can see flyovers. The flyovers have ramps instead of staircase, which make it easier for the passengers to carry their luggage. Keeping in view the comfort of the aged and the differently abled people, the flyovers also have lifts. Not just flyovers, the BRTS has also constructed 6 bridges for the sake of pedestrians, which are decorated with lights. All junctions have high masts which shed light up to 50 meters and there are about 500 electric poles installed. The BRTS has been of huge help for the safe transportation of the people of Hubballi and Dharwad, and about 12 to 15,000 passengers use this facility every day. The BRTS has its own website and is in the process of developing an Android application which will make it easier for the people to get information. BRTS was started for the people of Hubballi and Dharwad with the promise of a safe, secure, and peaceful journey between the twin cities.
ಇದು ಚಿಗರಿ ಬಸ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಅನುಕೂಲಕರ ಐತಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಬಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಇದ್ರಾಗ CCTV ಐತಿ, AC ಐತಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಬಸ್ನಾಗ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ ಡೋರ್ನಂತಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾರು ಇಂಜುರಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಇದೇ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೈತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಅನುಕೂಲಕ ಐತಿ, ಹಂಗೇನ ಇದಾಗೋದಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ತಾಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಈಗ 20 ನಿಮಿಷದಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳೋದು.
लेडीज़ के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, सेफ है, बिकॉज CCTV कैमरा है और ना चढ़ने उतरने के लिए कोई स्टेप्स नहीं है, सो इट इज़ वेरी इजी. और सेफ्टी, रोड सेफ्टी के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा बना है. रियली लाइक इट, एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था. सेंसर के ऊपर है तो इसके लिए ना अच्छा है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है. इनफैक्ट AC वगैरह है तो किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, गर्मी का हो गया या कोई और चीज़ का. और बाहर मेन तो कभी कुछ खाते हैं बच्चे वगैरह तो बाहर कचरा फेंकते, तो इसमें ग्लास है तो फिर फेंकेंगे नहीं कुछ भी, तो सिटी क्लीन रहेगा. उस हिसाब से भी बहुत अच्छा है. ओपन बस से ये बहुत अच्छा है बिकॉज इसमें AC भी है, सेफ्टी है, डोर क्लोज होने के बाद ही ये बस स्टार्ट होता है, तो इट इज़ वेरी सेफ नाउ. कोई नहीं चढ़ सकता, वो स्टॉप पे ही सिर्फ चढ़ सकते हैं, बाकी कोई जगह पे कोई हाथ करके रुका नहीं सकता जैसे पहले वाले बसेस में होता था. तो हाँ, ये लेडीज़ के लिए है ही ऑफ कोर्स सेफ्टी, क्योंकि डोर एकदम से पैक होता है कि कोई लड़के चढ़ के तुरंत नहीं आ सकते. और CCTV है तो मेनली कुछ होता भी है इंसिडेंट तो सब कुछ कैप्चर हो जाता है, तो इन फ्यूचर रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगा. ऐसा है.
We, the people of Hubballi and Dharwad, are sure that BRTS in no time will become the crown jewel of our cities. So what are you waiting for? Go on and have the ride of a lifetime. Thank you.